In this video, I'm going to be sharing 5 mistakes that you need to avoid as a beginner on YouTube. So all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end.
Join Growbita family today. Grow your social media platforms and make money online.
You're welcome to Growbita. In this channel, we teach people how to grow their social media platform and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Azimilian, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I post amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. I know most times when you come across videos on growth on YouTube or tips for beginners, one of the things that you always hear is choosing a niche or staying consistency. Right. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing 5 major mistakes that you need to avoid as a beginner on YouTube, which I'm not going to be adding consistency or choosing a niche, because before you open a YouTube channel, mainly it's very important for you to have a purpose, know what you are going to do on YouTube, right? Before I open this particular channel, I already know what I wanted to do in this channel. Basically, what I wanted to do is to teach people how to grow, build their social media platform, and also how to make money online, right? If you have been following me here, you will see that all the videos I've been making is centered in the same field, right? How to grow social media platform and also how to make money, how to create content. So I make all these videos for you guys to grow, right? So that same thing is applicable to you. Like when you're coming to YouTube as a beginner, you're supposed to have a purpose, choose a niche and stand ground in that particular niche and make sure that you succeed in the niche, right? And the same thing is applicable to consistency, right? Consistency is something that you're supposed to have in mind, that as a YouTuber that you need to be consistent, right? Let me say, for instance, that you open a shop, right? When you open a shop, you are supposed to be going to shop every day, right? So the same thing is applicable to YouTube. Just like you going to your shop every day, because if you don't go to shop, nobody will patronize you, you won't make money. Take the same thing here on YouTube. Just take it that if you're not making content consistently, that your business is a kind of closed. This thing is something that you're supposed to know. You don't even need anybody to tell you that you need to stay consistent for you to make it here on YouTube. So have it in your mind before we dive into the 5 major mistakes that you need to avoid as a YouTuber. So number 1 mistake you need to avoid is poor audio quality, right? Just imagine like you barging into a video on YouTube, and as you open the video to watch the video, you see that the background noise or echo is disturbing you, and you cannot focus on the main content you're watching because of the background noise and the echo in the video, right? The next thing you're going to be doing is to skip the video and look for another one that has a better audio quality. So as a beginner on YouTube, I'm not saying that you should go and spend money on gadgets. You can actually start with something small, but it's very important for you to get a mic. This particular mic I'm using right here is not cost. I bought it 10,000 naira, but by now I think it should be up to 17,000 to 20,000 naira. So if you're not in Nigeria, what I'm actually trying to say is that this mic is within $10 to $20, right? It's very affordable, something that you can actually afford, right? And this is not actually the best mic in the market, right? But it's something that you can actually manage, right? So I've already spent over 360,000 on mic already, and actually, but because I love this particular one, that's why I'm still using it. There is one mic I unboxed in this channel. I bought that mic 170,000 naira, and one of the reasons why I'm not using the mic is that the cord, which is the cable wire that I was supposed to plug on my phone to the mic, I've been looking for it and I'm not able to find a perfect one that will work with the mic. Other ones I'll be buying, actually when I plug them, it's not working. So that's the reason why I dumped the mic for now. And I also bought another mic about 210,000. And why I'm not actually using the mic is because it requires a sound card to connect it. And most times when I want to shoot my video, I see that it's a big work. I'll just pick up this one and use it to create my video, right? So it's very important that you work on your audio quality, right? Working on your audio quality is important. Make sure that you have a good audio quality, even if it's not the best, but at least something that when people are listening to it, they can easily hear you and focus on the video, right? If you don't have money to buy a mic, there are so many websites you can actually go and enhance your audio after shooting. And if you want me to make video on that, I'm going to be making a separate video about how to enhance your audio. All you need to do is to tell me in the comment section that you want me to make video on that, and I'll make a separate video for that. So it's very important that you work on your audio quality. Number two mistake you need to avoid is low effort content, right? It's very important that you plan and script your content before shooting it and edit it very well for people to enjoy it. Make your video informative and entertaining. It's better that you post one video that has good content that is very, very informative in a week than posting 10 videos that has no meaning or that is not informative. Sometimes you come across many videos from beginners on YouTube that actually want to post more videos every day, that because they hear about staying consistent, they want to post more videos every day to be consistent instead of sitting down to plan their video. Sometimes you come across videos that you don't even understand what the person is saying. There is no point in the video. The person just wants to sharply make a video and upload on YouTube, right? Once people come to your video and your video is not informative or your video is not well planned, what they will do is that they will go out and look for another video that they can learn something from, right? It's important that you plan your video, script it very well, so that people can actually watch your video from beginning to the end. It actually help you a lot because algorithm love videos that people watch from beginning to the end, right? So at the beginner, if people are able to watch your video from beginning to the end, at least if 100 people watch your video and 60 actually watch your video from beginning to the end, algorithm will understand, yeah, this video is nice, then it will push your video to other people to watch it as well, and it will help you to also grow very fast, right? So make sure that you spend time and plan your video, script it very well before shooting. Don't just rush and post many videos that has no meaning. When I started YouTube 2019, like I had a goal of making 1,000 videos, right? And what I was doing actually is I post 5 videos every day because my goal is to hit 1,000 videos, so that when I make 1,000 videos, at least in a day, if one person view each videos one, I'll be able to make 1,000 views, right? So that was my plan then, and I ended up spamming YouTube and posting too much videos that is not well planned, and because of that I struggled in that channel before I was able to get to 1,000 subscribers, right? And I started watching so many videos, to understand how YouTube actually works, and I start making videos that is informative, good videos, and before you know it, I started growing, right? And I had to open another channel because now I understand how it's work and how algorithm works, so I had to do something different. So it's important for you to plan your video, script your video, do something that people can actually sit down and watch from beginning to the end. As a content creator, something that you yourself can consume, do something that you can consume and give it to people to consume as well. Don't shoot something that you as well know that you cannot sit to watch. Sit down, plan your video and edit them very well. Number three mistake you need to avoid is ignoring SEO. YouTube is the second search engine in the world, right? Most people come to YouTube to search for information, and once they go to search for a particular information, and any video that comes up, they just click on it and watch. They don't need to know you for them to watch your video, right? That's why it's very, very important that you need to look into creating videos that is searchable. Some videos like how to, how to videos actually blow up very easy and it gives you more viewers. So creating videos that are searchable gives you more opportunity for you to go viral. Unless maybe you're into comedy or movies, right? In this channel, how to video have really helped me a lot. A lot of people actually came into this channel because they searched for a particular information and they came across my video and clicked on it and watch it, and since then they are now part of the family. So do not ignore SEO. Do not ignore SEO. It helps a lot. Nowadays it's now more easier because with the help of AI you can actually check the amount of people that is searching that particular topic in a day or in a month, right? With vidIQ, you can check a topic that you want to create video on to know how many people that is searching the video, if it's good for you to make the video or not. If people are not searching that particular topic, or the topic is very, very competitive that you think that your channel cannot carry, you will just leave it and make a video that can easily blow up your channel. So it's important for you as a beginner to make video that is searchable so that it will help your video to reach more wider audience. Number four mistake you need to avoid is not engaging with your audience, right? You need to have it in mind that your viewers are your lifeblood, right? It's important to interact with your viewers. Always respond to their comments and interact with them, right? Ask them for feedback. You can make a post in your community interacting with your audience. Ask them for suggestion on the kind of video they want you to make. Interacting with your audience helps you to build loyal family, right? If you're in this channel, you find out that I always post in my community to ask you guys, what kind of content do you want me to make next? And most times I post my picture with motivational quotes to encourage them and also ask them to vote between the videos they would like me to make. These are the people that actually makes you they have the power. Interacting with them will help you grow easier, right? Because anywhere they see your video, they would like to click on it to hear what you have to say in that particular video. So make sure that you interact with your audience very well. Do not ignore your audience. They are your people. Always see them as your family. So finally, number 5 mistake you need to avoid is getting discouraged too easily, right? To grow a YouTube channel is not easy, right? If you don't have patience, you might not last long. You just give up, right? So sometimes you might post video and you are expecting that video to blow up and you see the video will just get like 3 views or 5 views. So instead of you to be discouraged, you need to focus more on creating more content and also try to learn what other people are doing that you're not doing, right? It's important for you to explore and get more ideas, learn from the people that are there before you for you to understand how YouTube works. If you get discouraged easily, it actually means that you're going to be quitting easily. YouTube is a step-by-step stuff. It's not something that you just wake up in the morning and open a channel and in the evening your channel will blow up. Some people are lucky, they might open a channel this month and before the ending of this month you see that their channel will blow up and they will hit like 10,000 subscribers or even 100,000 subscribers, and not everybody that is as lucky as them. Some people might even stay up to for 6 months before they'll be able to hit 1,000 subscribers. And if you find yourself in that, you don't need to be discouraged. All you need to do is to keep pushing and keep learning new things, for you to be able to grow. And if you're able to avoid these 5 mistakes, you see that you will eventually grow. It only takes time. So thank you guys for watching this video from beginning to here. I really appreciate you all. All I can say is that you keep doing what you're doing. Don't give up. Try as much as possible to learn new things every day on how to grow your channel, and you will see that you'll get there one day. And if you're new in this channel, I will urge you to subscribe to this channel because in this channel we post amazing videos every day and you can't afford to miss them. And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. And if you find this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you Mazi for sharing this and I'll be glad to respond to your comment. So see you guys in my next video.